Now I request Professor Dr. Shivaji Rao Kadam, Vice Chancellor of Bharati Vidyapeeth University, to deliver his speech.
Honorable and most respected Mahamayim, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, the President of India and the Chief Guest of today's function. Honorable Sri C. Vidyasagar Rao, Governor of Maharashtra and Chairperson of today's function. Honorable Sri Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Distinguished guests of honor, Honorable Sri Sharad Chandra Pawar ji, Honorable Sri Sushil Kumar Shinde ji, Honorable Sri Prithviraj Chauhan ji, esteemed founder of Bharati Vidyapeeth and Chancellor of Bharati Vidyapeeth University, Honorable Dr. Patang Rao ji Kadam, Honorable Dr. Vishwajit Kadam, Secretary Bharati Vidyapeeth, esteemed invitees, members of print and electronic media, and ladies and gentlemen. As the Vice Chancellor of Bharati Vidyapeeth University, I welcome you all on this glorious occasion. We are indeed very fortunate to have Mahamayim Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, the President of India, amongst us this evening as the chief guest of this historical function. I would like to mention specially here that Dr. Patang Rao ji Kadam dreamt of establishing a world-class university at the age of 19 years while framing the Constitution of Bharati Vidyapeeth in 1964. Bharati Vidyapeeth University, established in April 1996, has a strong base of quality education and sound foundation of culture of excellence. It is one of the largest multi-faculty, multidisciplinary, multi-campus universities of its kind in India. It has now 29 constituent institutions located on 8 campuses in India. The university is well known across the country for its innovative academic programs, research of international standards, interdisciplinary approach, and global outreach. The university has always nurtured culture of excellence and has promoted innovation. The Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, has awarded prestigious A-grade university status to this university. In addition to that, the National Assessment Accreditation Council has accredited and reaccredited the university with highest A grade. The professional programs of the university are also accredited by National Board of Accreditation with high grades. The university is consistently ranked among the top 50 universities in India and has received a special recognition under Section 12B of University Grants Commission Act. The university has 3 research institutes dedicatedly, exclusively to research in the field of health sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, and social sciences. During the last 2 years, our faculty has published 3,115 research papers in reputed national and international journals. 2,410 of them are published in international journals. The university has 47 registered patents to its credit. The university has entered into more than 42 collaborative agreements with the benchmark universities in India and abroad. They include universities in the US, UK, Germany, South Korea, Netherlands, and Australia. On this auspicious occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration, we commit ourselves to further growth of academic excellence and expansion of our academic activities and research. I would like to conclude saying that India needs to build a 21st century model for higher education marked with high quality and which is both accessible, affordable to all. We should strive to make India a role model for higher education system that is not just and the best only for ourselves, but for the rest of the world. I extend a very warm welcome to the Honorable President of India and all of you. Thanks.